So this is Cody, and Cody the Bonnet surfer, and he's made his way down to Hobart, and we've caught up at a rock barbecue. I want Cody to give us an update on his welfare. How are you?
Well, I'm actually doing all right. So, as many of you know, I had a crash in April this year. It really fucked my back. I've got a spinal fusion, and as you can see, I've got a brace on my leg. It's to stop my knee from moving back and forwards like this.
Yep.
And I've got to go back to the surgeon in February to find out if I need more surgery on the knee. But I'm doing better every day. It's gonna take a while, as most of you guys know who've crashed. But you got to get better every day, otherwise you just go backwards.
And what's the prognosis long term, Code? You hope to get back on a bike, or is it something that you're going to park now?
Well, if you don't show this to my parents, I'll say yes. I'd love to get back on a bike, but it's going to be a few years, obviously, before I get back on a bike, especially one I'm going to be able to ride. But I can't just drive around Tassie in a car. You gotta ride around Tassie. It's such a beautiful state.
Yeah.
You know, being on a bike, you either love it or you hate it, and I love it.
Yep.
Can't give it up.
It's the only way to go, only way to roll, man, eh?
That's exactly right.
That's
on
it.
2 wheels.
I'm sure that everybody out there is wishing you all the best with your recovery, and everyone's keen to see you get back to good health and get back on the bike and stay sane. In the meantime, that's going to be the difficult thing for you, I guess.
Yeah, well, my wife, she keeps me sane.
She's a good girl, obviously.
She is. She stayed by my side whilst I was in hospital every day.
Yep.
And same with my mum, Joanne. She's a lovely woman.
Well, she was going to break your legs.
Yeah, mum said that if I ever got back on a bike again, she's going to break both of my legs. You know, my first response to that was...
Guess what, Mum?
Stuff you, Andy. But my first response to that was, well, good luck, because I got titanium in the left leg.
Yep. Yeah, I have. No, mine's in my right leg now. Yeah. So yeah, it's
Bikers.
yeah, bionic, man. Yeah, it's good that you've got a strong person that with your wife that can stay with you, because my brother didn't have that. So he was, after multiple surgeries, 9 bone graft operations on his leg, and broken vertebrae and collarbones and bad lacerations, all the rest. He was in hospital for a very long time, and ended up, when he was released from hospital, he was still living in a hospital bed in the lounge room, and he couldn't wipe his own ass or do anything. And she said, I'm out of here, I can't handle it. And that did his mental health no good at all. And at one stage during part of his recovery, and he'll probably flip out if he hears me saying this, and I don't know yet whether or not I'll include it in the video, but he went up into the rafters and tied a rope around the truss in the side, the manhole cover in the ceiling, and did everything but drop on that rope, and he convinced himself to walk away. So it's very important that we all stay focused, and focus on the good things in life.
Yeah. Hey, here's Dutchie.
Here's Dutchie.
Yeah, look, having someone there for you is really, really important, and I'm very thankful for those who in my life who have stuck by me, and you and Dutchie. Sorry, Dutchie.
What about that pommy prick over there in the garage?
Well,
what's he call it? A
the
workshop?
dirty garage guy. He can just fuck off.
He can just fuck right off.
Exactly. So here's one to you, Matt.
I remember when you first saw it and I didn't know.
Yeah, when I first saw Matt's video, it was in the morning. Woke up at 7 o'clock as I do in hospital, and saw my YouTube notifications, and it was Cody the Bonnet surfer, and I was like, oh my fucking god, here we go. What's he heard now? And I watched the video, and as soon as Dorothy walked in, I said, I fucking hate you. All in a good way, though.
Yeah.
You know,
She was happy for you.
She was.
And that was her way of saying it. Wanted Dorothy.
Well, as soon as I realised why he was saying that, I just lost it and I was laughing the whole time.
I don't know if you guys know this, but it was our wedding anniversary yesterday.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
No, I didn't, but
You poor thing. You poor long-suffering thing.
Woman, yeah.
Yes.
I thought I was about to say the same thing.
Is
This.
this?
It's our first wedding anniversary, but we've been together 5 years.
Ah, fair enough.
It wasn't that for me. It was at Hellier College in Bonnet.
Yep.
We sat next to a computer, and that was the start of it, wasn't it, Dorothy?
Yeah, but you had a girlfriend at the time.
Oh no. Oh dear. We won't go there. All right, Cody. Hey, listen. Thanks for your time, man, and it's good to see you up and about. So
Thanks, Andy.
hang in there, man.
That's
We're all
right.
wishing you well.
Cheers.
Bye for now. Say it,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Sessions. Bye for now.